I am a boudoir photographer. I specialize in intimate women's portraits. I think the coolest thing about boudoir photography is being able to see the transformation happen in women. There's this misconception that you come into the studio with all of this courage when nobody walks into the studio with bags of courage. It's actually bags of doubt and lingerie. It's the experience and the journey that's really what women are coming in for, because it's, for a lot of our clients, the first step to loving themselves. It is so different for everybody. What they pull out of it is, there's always this common thread of empowerment and strength and courage. But it's definitely a unique experience for everyone because everyone is on their own unique journey. My job is to capture what you look like in the most beautiful way, and I can guarantee that you are beautiful.